People are created of two sexes not without meaning. It means you must strive to unite with each other, to create a family. A family is a group of close people, that is, this is a community, a unity in which you get a worthy experience of life. My friends, when you begin to shape your new reality, you first need to believe that it already exists for you. Second, write down who has the opportunity. When you understand and realize that this is already there in the metaphysical universe, you need to begin to feel it. You need to mentally create a plan of action, that is, where you will go, in what way you can achieve this or that plan of your life. And when you start to perform actions, attention. You need to spend 20% of energy out of 100% on this. If you start taking action, making decisions, but you see that there is no desired result, ask yourself the question, maybe you don't need it, maybe it will destroy you, or the time has not come. When it comes easy to you, that's when you take the first steps to implement your plan and see that it comes easy to you, then it's yours. You are on the right track. However, if you start taking action but the result does not work, then either the time has not come or you do not need it. Sometimes we spend half our lives trying to achieve something, and then when we get it, we lose value in it. We are not interested in it. Even it upsets us. We even begin to regret that we spent so much time, energy, health, and our lives on this. However, your soul knows what will be good for you. And when you trust it, trust your life in its hands, it will always lead you on the right path of evolution and give you experience that will benefit you. After all, you want benefits from everything that you do. You all want benefits and results. My friends, I really want you to consciously approach your life, consciously. And now let's observe how your mental structures work. All of you have your inner trinity: body, mind, and spirit. Spirit is the energy that interacts with the mind, with your intellect. But your mind, your intellect, also interacts with consciousness. These are different structures and you need to understand them.